What if I told you that lowering volume could actually make a drum sound louder?
When you turn drums down with a fader, they lose punch, but when you run them through saturation, you drop the peaks without losing energy. What's this? This drum loop before saturation peaks at around minus 9 dB, and after, minus 13 dB. It hits harder because saturation adds harmonics, extra frequencies that weren't there before. So even though the peaks drop, your ear hears more. That was using FabFilter Saturn, which is a pay dodge, but even the saturator that comes with Ableton is super powerful. Listen to this. It's kind of like if EQ and limiting had a baby. That's what saturation is.